Bruce, what is that?
A rainbow.
What kind?
I've never seen this kind before.
Is it a double rainbow?
It has 3 colors. I mean 4. Red, yellow, blue, purple.
I don't know if that does it justice.
Mommy will see it.
Yeah, she will.
Ouch. Mommy will see it when she comes down the store.
Whoa!
I've never seen that kind of rainbow. What? That kind. I've never seen that kind of rainbow. It's out of order. The rainbow's on the ground.
It's like a force field, Bruce?
Yeah, the rainbow's on the ground. Look this. What? It's running all over the place.
Whoa. Those flowers have a little water, don't they?
No lights go in. Now they won't work.
No, they'll be fine.
When they dry out.
That's a pretty rainbow.